Coming up this week on Talk with Audrey, I visit Six Flags Discovery Kingdom in Vallejo, California for a behind-the-scenes look at how roller coaster rides are filmed and a close-up look at all the park has to offer. My guests are Brandon Morris, the director of Alpha and Omega Entertainment. He gives us a glimpse of behind-the-scenes tech that allows viewers to experience roller coaster rides in virtual reality. Charles Loriano, who is the ride's maintenance supervisor at Six Flags, shares what it takes to keep Six Flags guests safe. And Nancy Chan, park spokesperson, provides an overview of all the attractions the park has to offer. It's all coming up this week on Talk with Audrey. Insightful, intelligent, and inspiring conversations and information to help you improve the quality of your life. I'll be right back.